Earn money online in 10 ways in 2023.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
1. Enter cash. Do you type quickly? It is straightforward to transcribe. When typing, listen to an audio file on headphones. According to International Living, as a transcriber, your salary is closely tied to how quickly you type. Instead of being paid by the hour performed, transcription tasks are compensated by the audio hour, the length of the audio file. The audio quality, background noise, speaker accent, and speaking rate all affect how long it takes to finish a transcript. The typical transcriber may finish one audio hour in 4 hours of work while typing between 75 and 100 words per minute. Take the transcriber hiring businessrev.com as an example. 2. Establish a profitable blog. Do you specialize in anything? Blog about your advice. Consider what you can provide if travel is your area of expertise. Are you an authority on inexpensive or luxurious travel? Can you offer guidance on certain pursuits like shopping or hiking? According to International Living, the more particular you are, the easier it will be to draw in an interested audience and make money with your site. Squarespace and Wix are websites that can host blogs and offer advice on how to develop one. 3. Enter the e-book market. The e-book industry offers a lucrative way to make money. You might design your own. Kindle has a guide for how to do it. Alternatively, locate a book that has already been printed and license it for online publication. You can provide the author a one-time payment for the online publishing rights or 8–15% royalties based on net sales. 4. Create a course online. You may even develop an entire online course with videos, PDF downloads, and instructions instead of just producing an e-book. People will pay for the information and can proceed at their own pace or ask questions about the course in a dedicated group, making it a perfect method to generate passive money. Here's a tool for developing and marketing online courses, LearnWorlds, which enables anyone to capitalize on their expertise and experience by developing an online course. 5. Train to be a life coach or even a travel coach. According to International Living, life coaching is a creative and thought-provoking approach that helps people focus on both personal and professional goals. To overcome phobias, increase self-confidence, set objectives, and develop success-oriented habits, people employ life coaching. There are countless online courses available to learn how to become a life coach, and many certification programs enable the design of a comprehensive website once training is complete. You can even become a travel coach if you are an expert in travel. Read this account of a former travel writer who now coaches travelers. 6. Work as a narrator for audiobooks. Audiobooks are becoming a more and more common kind of entertainment. According to International Living, the convenience element of smartphones has caused an industry explosion. There is a demand for independent narrators as a result. On this website, you may get tips on how to become an audiobook narrator. 7. Online surveys and research. Spending your free time online or completing surveys is another option to earn fantastic money. Online research is for you if you're seeking for a means to make an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month part-time, recommends International Living. If you bookmark the website QMe on your browser and then click on a search result, you will be paid. Doing QMe surveys and giving your thoughts on brands can both earn you money. Surveybots, Survey Junkie, and Valued Opinions are other survey websites. Another method for earning a string of little monetary prizes while traveling. Travelers can earn an additional $600 a year by doing various tasks and listening to music with the new app Current. 8. Farming and reliant living. According to International Living, farming might be one of the most fulfilling lifestyles you can adopt. Yet many may disregard it as requiring too much effort or being prohibitively expensive to begin. That may be the case in the US, but there are options abroad that will make living off the land simpler than you may imagine, and you can even make money while doing it. To feed the family and earn a little extra money at the neighborhood farmer's market, it may be as easy as planting a garden. Maybe you could manage a sizable plot of land that generates significant earnings. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile and bid on projects. 10. Selling products. You can sell products on platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy. You can also create your own online store with platforms like Shopify. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.